My name is Chelei and I am currently working as a cabin crew in Indigo Airlines. When I got selected, it was wonderful. I had the best moment of my life. The mock interviews that I've had at Skylark, it really helped me a lot.
Hi, my name is Adit. I got selected as a cabin crew with Aviation. It was not only the overall training in all the areas of communication, but also the best part about my journey with Skylark was the unmatched exposure I got during the classes.
My name is CHITKARA and I am currently employed with QATAR Airways cabin crew since past 3 years. And I would just like to say that it's a tremendous experience to work for the best airline in the world. Becoming a cabin crew is not easy. It wasn't easy for me. But when you have right knowledge, right information and right institute, you will crack the interview and you will become a cabin crew one day.
Hi everyone, this is VARSHA SINGH. So I'm currently working with the Air India staff and handling Singapore Airlines. So I've learned many things from this Skylark. Like they have taught me in my grooming skills, in my personality development, in my communication skills. So which is also helpful in my daily basis in my aviation industry.
Hi everyone, my name is Neha. I cannot express how good it feels to go for the interview for the first time in your life and get selected. I got placed with Indigo Airlines as a cabin crew. This feels so good.
Hi, I'm Akshita Saini. My journey has been great. I have learned a lot from this institute. I have gained confidence and I feel a lot of changes in myself.
Hi, my name is Deepak Chand. I learned a lot of skills from the first day. My personality also developed and I have gained my self-confidence here. I am so proud to start my career with Air India Service.
Today I know I am confident as the course has helped me in polishing myself, and also I feel so fortunate to have chosen this institute that has helped me in enhancing my personality. Skylark has not only helped me in improving myself and to start my great career, but also Skylark gave me the wings to pursue my passion.
I would love to thank Skylark for training me to be someone I wanted to be forever.
Thank you Skylark for enhancing my overall personality.
Thank you so much Skylark for being a very nice guide to my dreams.
Thank you Skylark for boosting my career and thank you for being a true guide for my success.